Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to extend background in Photoshop. Firstly, for simple backgrounds, this method works best for plain or repetitive backgrounds. First thing first, go to File, then Open and select your image. In the Layers panel, click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object, optional but helps with non-destructive edits. Now, navigate to Image, then Canvas Size. Check Relative and increase the width. Use the anchor grid to control which sides the canvas expands, like center anchor for both left and right sides. Now, to use the Content-Aware Scale, go to Edit, then Content-Aware Scale. Click and drag the bounding box handles horizontally to stretch the background, and hold Shift. In newer Photoshop versions it keeps aspect ratio off to manually stretch. Photoshop will fill the new space while preserving the main content automatically. So you'll get seamless background extension with minimal distortion, suitable for skies, gradients, or simple patterns. For the second method is for complex backgrounds. Use this method when you have a visible subject like a person or object. You don't want to distort it. Use the Quick Selection tool or Lasso tool to create a rough selection around the subject. Just a tip, click Select Subject for an automatic selection. Now, with the selection active, go to Select, then Save Selection. Name it like Subject Unchanged and choose New Channel. Now go to Edit, Content-Aware Scale. On the top bar, find Protect and choose the name of the saved selection, for example Subject Unchanged as you named it. Now stretch the background using the bounding box handles. So to get a Photoshop stretches the background but keeps your subject intact. And also, there is a third method which is using the Crop tool plus Content-Aware Fill. It's great for basic extensions without worrying about subject protection. Open your image and select the Crop tool. Drag the outward to expand the canvas. Now, in the top bar, check Content-Aware. Then press Enter or Return. Photoshop fills in the new space automatically. And these are methods to extend a background in Photoshop. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.